An accident had occurred between a red Maruti Alto 800 bearing registration number ML05 0232 and a white Wagon R bearing registration number ML05 P 7097, where the collision at Mawlai Mawroh, Shillong on the evening of 19th March 2023 had left both vehicles in an extremely damaged condition. While being attended to by the emergency services that arrived at the spot, the 6 occupants of both vehicles were taken to the hospital for medical examination and treatment. Their vehicles were later towed by the police. Till the filing of this report, no casualties were reported, while investigation into the matter is ongoing.
Ya. Sudah saja. Oke, sir. Lagi yang ada masuk apa Pak?